Hey y'all, thank y'all for tuning in today's video. This is an after Thanksgiving clean with me slash fall takedown. I am prepping for Christmas season, so in this video I will be cleaning. This is the aftermath of Thanksgiving. It actually was worse than this, but you know, we kind of like cleaned up a little bit. And then this is like the next day after Thanksgiving, and it still had like a few things, you know, lying around and stuff like that. You guys can't really see, but like it was a lot of things on the floor. And then this morning my kids wanted leftovers and stuff. So yeah, so I am cleaning the aftermath of Thanksgiving. So as I clean, I will be putting up my fall decor because Christmas is coming and I will be decorating for Christmas within the next day or two. So I wanted to start off with a clean slate. So in this video, I will be taking down my fall decor and cleaning and just getting my house back right, because you know we had track marks on the floor because it kind of like rained a little bit out here. So I have track marks all over the floor, dirt marks and stuff. And my kids' room, I did not clean it in this video, but it was like a disaster. You know, my little cousins came and you know how kids do. So yeah guys, so I am getting my house back right because I just cannot function until I get this done.
Party's never over for me. My favorite Toy Story. Bo Peep is chasing me. Woody, let me be a fantasy. Swiss Army King, they call me. Come find the key, baby, baby. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, babe. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. Tell me what you need, baby. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, babe. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, do it, do it, do it. I don't think I can let you go.
Now it's time to tackle this kitchen. Now as you can see, they got the alcohol sitting around. I don't drink alcohol, but yeah, my family was drinking some Taylor Port. You know, everybody loved their Taylor Port. I did sip just a little bit of it just to see what the hype was about, and it's pretty good, but I am just not an alcohol fan. Like, I just don't like alcohol. It's never was my thing. So yeah, I'm tidying up this kitchen. I'm going to be washing a few pans that's in the sink and putting up a few dishes, and I'm just going to just wipe it down and, like I said, get rid of my fall decor in the kitchen.
Do it, I'll do it. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, baby. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. It's 11:31. Now the party's done. Get off the floor. Time to go home. Or you can stay the night. I know where we've been, yeah. But baby, that was then.
Okay guys, so today's scripture comes from Proverbs 31:27, and it says, "She looks well to the ways of her household and does not eat the bread of idleness." So I'm assuming the scripture means that she takes care of her household, and she does not, partake in laziness. She does not partake in just not being a steward of her home. And so I thought that this scripture was more fitting for this video because I am cleaning up, I am taking care of my home, and this describes me so well.
What if we lose? What if we lose again?
So I hope this video and this scripture gave you guys some motivation to get up and clean your home. Take care of your home. Be a good steward of your home. Do not have dishes everywhere all the time. Don't have it so filthy dirty. I know sometimes we may get caught up in life, and it's okay to not clean up every day, all day. But to have your house looking so horrible and just dirty and filthy all the time, we gotta do better, okay? So, yeah, I am vacuum. Well, I had pulled out the broom instead of my vacuum because my vacuum had died, so I had to go the old school way. But I am kind of like straightening off this little island that I have, and I am mopping my floors because, like I said, my floors was tracked up with dirt, so I'm going to mop that with some Mr. Clean, and I'm going to mop my living room, my dining room, and my kitchen.
But maybe we should try. Maybe we should try. What if it's different this time? What if we lose? What if we lose again? What if the story ends? What if we lose again? Again. In my dream, I'll never let you go. We never were alone. Yeah. Like a rose, never grew its thorns.
Concludes today's video, you guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you like this channel, if you like this content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join my YouTube family, and I will see you guys in the next video. And be ready for the Christmas content because that's what you guys are about to see, some cozy Christmas content all month of December. So get ready for it. See you guys in the next video. Bye.